Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow comments on your posts on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner. Go to the settings and the privacy option, and in the how voters can interact with you section you can find the third option, the comments. And here you can block comments from different people, or you can set allow comments from everyone, people you follow, your followers, people you follow and your followers. And just select one and click to the next circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.